Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload landscape videos on Instagram Reels without cropping them. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure your video is ready and edited in landscape format. That's 16:9 ratio. Step 2. Open Instagram, tap the plus button and select Reel. Then upload your landscape video from your gallery. Step 3. Once your video loads in the editor, use two fingers to pinch and zoom out. This will show the full landscape video without automatically cropping it into a vertical format. Step 4. Instagram will add a blurred background automatically to fill the space. If you want, you can customize it using apps like CapCut, InShot, or Canva before uploading. Bonus tip: add engaging captions, stickers, or trending audio to make your landscape video blend in better with regular Reels and boost engagement. And that's how you upload a landscape video to Instagram Reels the easy way. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tutorials. See you next time!